Chinese automaker Dongfeng is looking to make an even bigger splash in the local market with a launch of an expanded lineup of pickup trucks, crossovers, SUVs, and MPVs. Under the stewardship of Legado Motors, Dongfeng Motor Philippines unveiled a revitalized local lineup of utility and lifestyle vehicles that includes the Aeolus Huge, the Forthing Friday, Nanobox, the Rich 7, the Nami, the Forthing U Tour, the M Hero, and the Aeolus Mage. During the festive launch, Dongfeng Motor Philippines also introduced its new managing director, industry veteran Albert Arcilla.
I joined the team of Legado Motors and I'm very happy that they received me and accepted me, and here we are in our first month. We are already introducing 4 new models from their existing 3 models, and it's a very exciting lineup. What we're very excited about Dongfeng Motors is that we will have a vehicle in every kind that is the market wants. So we have hybrid vehicles, we have electric vehicles, we have a diesel pickup, and we also have an ICE MPV. So if you will look later, we have the very exciting, which I am excited, is the U Tour, because it's an MPV and it's a 7-seater ICE engine, which I feel is a very Filipino vehicle for us. And of course, we also have the diesel pickup, which we all know is also a very popular segment. So I'm very excited with those 2 segments, and I'm sure with the features that we have presented tonight, you will enjoy, the market will enjoy looking at our cars. And more importantly, it's going to be very affordable, so we're going to be very excited to present the cars to them.
A friend to many in the industry, Arcilla is looking to make the brand a friend to Filipino car buyers.
Something that we really want the market to realize is that Dongfeng is your friend on the road. We want our clients to know that we are here for them and that their cars are there for them as well. So when you drive a Dongfeng, you are driving a car, you are driving your friend.